I'm in IT sales and I've been doing it for over 15 years, and it's just not something that I'm passionate about.
Ended up getting injured in the military and wasn't able to pursue that career, and I thought it was game over.
Once I graduated high school, I had a clear idea of what I thought I wanted to do, which was journalism. The field I was going towards was not hiring.
After going through this program and learning and molding the metal and all that, I found out it wasn't just a career, it was more of a passion.
If I become a plumber, it can open up even more avenues for me to go on to do bigger, better things.
EVIT is the best place to come and pick a trade and get done fast.
I like that it's not a full 7-hour day like most schools, and I can get out and still go to work and enjoy my life.
I love EVIT because it did give me the flexibility to juggle my professional, my at home, being a mom.
I can go home and I can be with my son because I still have all the time to do both parent stuff as well as schoolwork stuff.
It's not only cheaper, but I've learned more than my peers that have gone to those more expensive schools.
If you're looking to start your career or change your career, EVIT is an amazing place to go.
I feel like I'm at that point where I want to do something that I love and that I enjoy, and I feel like EVIT is allowing me to do that.
I feel like this program has really set me up for success and the potential to go out there and find something that I will enjoy and be successful at.
If I didn't enroll in this program, I probably wouldn't have discovered my passion for welding, and I probably wouldn't find a job that I love.